Kalivilar. Here, today I'm going to show you how to use the personal hotspot on an iPhone. So basically, the main reason you'd want to use this hotspot is to share internet with devices that have wireless capabilities, like anything that can connect to Wi-Fi. To turn on the hotspot, just go here and tap Enable Personal Hotspot. You can also turn it on through the settings for more detailed configuration. Just go to Settings, then Personal Hotspot and switch it on. There's also a password there, right? Make sure to enable maximum compatibility so any device can connect. Not every device, but if you turn this off, some laptops and phones won't be able to connect because they'll be on the wrong frequency. You can also use the hotspot with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and USB. So, if you connect to someone via Bluetooth, then you'll have an option to share internet also through USB. So that's it. Then, on the phone you want to connect, just go to Wi-Fi and connect to the hotspot. Eli was with you, everyone. Bye.